How to create Linktree link. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to create Linktree link. For this video, we will be using Safari. So go to your Safari and look up linktr.ee. This is the official website for Linktree, and this is where you can create your link. And to do so, all you have to do is tap on sign up free at the top of the page and then wait for the next page to load. So the next page is basically where you can put your username. So tap on the first back box and then just type whatever username you'd like to use for your Linktree link. After that, you can also tap on the next box to put your email. So you can use whatever active email you have here, and then you will have to tap on create account at the bottom of this page. So just tap on that and just wait for the next page to load where you can put your password. So just set up a password that has at least 8 characters and then tap on continue. So once again, just wait for the next page to load. But the next page is where you can tell Linktree all about yourself. So you can put your name on this box and then tap on continue. For me, I'll just probably put my complete name here, but it's up to you how you'd like to appear or, yeah, whatever name you'd like to use. And then just select a category that best describes your link tree. Is it for business, education, fashion and beauty, and so many other options right here. But after selecting the category that best describes your link tree, there is an optional business category or kind of like the subcategory for the first one you selected. So, like this one, for example, fashion and beauty, you can select if it's for clothing and accessories, hair care, or whatnot. There's also health and wellness. So, again, it's optional. You can just continue if you don't have any subcategory. Next page is where you can choose a plan for you. We have free and starter and pro. You can just tap on the arrow button in order for you to see the features and benefits that are included in each plan. So, like this one for starter, you can see everything included here, like customizable themes. And the same goes for pro. That's where you can see it as well. And there's also premium. But if you're okay with free, you can just tap on try for free. Make sure to put the check mark first and then tap on join for free. Once on the next page, you should see a message to verify your email. So you have to go to that email you used and look for the verify your email from Linktree. So once on the email, just tap on this verify email button and that should bring you to this page. So on this page, all you have to do after seeing your account has been verified is just tap on sign in to continue. Once you tap on sign in to continue, that should bring you to your Linktree page wherein you can see links, appearance, and analytics. Add the link for your contact form, videos, and stores if any. And then you can tap on appearance to pick an image for your profile picture. This is also the page where you can add your profile title. You can just add your complete name here if you like or whatever you prefer. And you can just add a little bit about yourself under bio as well. So I have just a very basic sample here. And this is also where you can add your social icons. So just simply tap on add social icon. As you can see, I have my Instagram added already under add icon. And if you'd like to add another, let's say for your TikTok, just tap on add icon and then look up the socials that you'd like to add. So I'll tap on TikTok and just enter my username. So on this box, make sure to not forget the at symbol because it's not going to be valid without the at symbol. And just add to Linktree. So wait for it to load and you should see it under my Instagram account under add icon. You can also change the position of where it is located with whether at the top or at the bottom. And we have other options below as well. It's up to you whether you'd like to also work on those or not. But these are just some of the few more options we have here. If you'd like to see more settings, just simply tap one more at the right top corner in order for you to see the following. So lots of options right here. But other than that, if you'd like to see how your Linktree looks like, just tap on share at the right top corner and then tap open my Linktree. So as you can see, this is all I have right now, my profile name and then my bio and the socials I added. So this is something you can also customize, and you can actually customize it by going back to where you were and going to appearance. So scroll all the way down until you see the themes under appearance, and this is where you can select what background to use or whatnot. Some of them are only available for under a different plan, but you can also make the most of what is available under for free, like change the color, change the buttons, or whatnot. It's really up to your creativity now. And that's how easy it is to create Linktree link. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.